What's going on, guys? So today we are going to install the Ultra Racing underbrace on my Yaris. So here is the Ultra Racing underbrace. So it is going to be installed somewhere underneath here. First things first, we gotta jack up the car and remove the braces, the stock braces underneath the car. So without further ado, let's get going. Got the car jacked up, right, sitting on jack stands. So the brace is actually gonna go, it's kind of hard to see, but this right here is where the bracket's gonna be going. So this is the old plates we'll be removing, and then we're gonna put the new one in. So here's the new one. Let's install it. So as you can see, Ultra Racing. This is Ultra Racing. This is for the Yaris. Alright, so that's where the holes go. As you can see, there's a better idea. Ultra Racing. So yeah, now time to install it.